5 ways to treat hyperthyroidism naturally. Hyperthyroidism occurs when the thyroid gland becomes overactive, producing too much T4 and T3 hormones, where hyperthyroidism is too little. The most common type of hyperthyroidism is the autoimmune disorder Graves' disease. In this disorder, the body makes an antibody, a protein produced by the body to protect against a virus or bacteria called thyroid-stimulating immunoglobulin (TSI) that causes the thyroid gland to make too much thyroid hormone. Hyperthyroidism also may be caused by a nodular goiter, which are lump in the thyroid gland that cause the thyroid to produce excessive amounts of thyroid hormones. In addition, inflammation of the thyroid gland, called thyroiditis, results from an attack on the immune system, such as a viral infection, which may temporarily cause symptoms of hyperthyroidism. Another issue is people who consume too much iodine, typically from supplements, or who take medications containing iodine may actually cause a goiter and exacerbate thyroid problems. Hyperthyroidism and disease symptoms. The main symptoms associated with hyperthyroidism and Graves' disease symptoms include anxiety, trouble sleeping, irritability, increased sense of smell, irritable bowel syndrome, thinning hair, irregular heartbeat, weight changes. Disease causes. There are several contributing factors to hyperthyroidism, but the main cause includes leaky gut syndrome, hormonal imbalances, toxicity, food allergies. Here are the best ways to treat hyperthyroidism naturally. Foods for hyperthyroidism diet. When it comes to seeing improvements in thyroid function, the best place to start is by improving your diet with these healing foods. Green juices. Fresh green juices from nutrient-dense vegetables such as kale, spinach, and spirulina can help provide vital nutrients. By taking this juice, you can control hyperthyroidism. Whole foods. Processed foods should be avoided, so aim for fresh fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. By reducing green vegetable and fresh fruit, you can reduce hyperthyroidism. Anti-inflammatory herbs. Many herbs such as basil, rosemary, and oregano can be anti-inflammatory and help improve thyroid function. Ginger is an anti-inflammatory herb that can help boost immune function. By including ginger into your diet, you can reduce HT. Bone broth. Bone broth supports detoxification and acids in healing of leaky gut issues that can make hyperthyroidism worse. Foods to avoid. Gluten. A gluten-free diet is beneficial for people with thyroid issues. Conventional dairy. People with thyroid problems can also benefit from a A1 cysteine-free diet. Artificial flavorings or dyes. These can influence thyroid function, therefore it is best to avoid them. Sugar suppresses immune function and contributes to autoimmune disease. Packaged foods can contain GMO foods that have been linked to autoimmune conditions, so avoid packaged foods. Here is a home remedy to cure thyroid. For this, we need Dhaniya seeds and water. Coriander seeds water for thyroid. Here is a magical drink to reduce hyperthyroidism. First, we need Dhaniya seeds and water. Take a pan, add 2 glasses of water and boil for 5 minutes. Now, add 2 teaspoons of Dhaniya seeds and let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes. Cover it and boil in low flame. After 15 minutes, turn off the flame and filter that water in a glass. And 1 teaspoon of honey and mix it well. Take this water in early morning. By doing this, you can reduce your high thyroid levels in a very short period of time.
Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.